What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. The decade is almost over, the year is almost over, and I just wanted to give a special thanks to all my fans. It means a lot to me. I hope y'all continue with the journey of me being a YouTuber, and especially all those who leave comments down below on my video saying thank you for the review, thank you for your opinion. I never thought about it that way. That's definitely dope for me, and I hope y'all will continue to follow me on my journey as a tech YouTuber. I also want to give a special thank you to all my family and friends who supported me through this brand new journey that they're not familiar with, but they're definitely supporting me, giving me different opinions. How should I do things? Hey, Kartoon, stop stuttering. I'm learning. It's kind of hard, but it's part of the process. And I hope all you subscribers, all you brand new subscribers, and all my fans could support me on my journey. I just want to also say, I just want to wish all of y'all a happy new year. And I hope the next decade will be much better than the last one. So, hope you follow me. And if you're watching this video, must please leave a like button and subscribe to my channel if you're brand new. And I just want y'all to understand where I'm coming from, and I want you to realize how much you, the fan, the subs mean to me. So, thank you. It's a boy Kartoon. Peace.